I'm Kristen King, and welcome to Wall Street Connected, the show that highlights what Wall Street's finest are researching online. Today, we're looking at CheckCap, a medical diagnostics company based in Israel. The company creates screening devices for colorectal cancer, which it does through its proprietary C-scan medical device, the only preparation-free test available to do so. Patients take a capsule that passes through their body normally, and in doing so, the capsule is able to scan the walls of the gastrointestinal tract and relay information back to the tracking system worn on the person's back. This data is then sent to physicians and can be used to create 2D and 3D maps of the person's inner surface of the colon. The stock saw a sharp jump in price at the very start of January, lifting it from 30 cents to $1.50 per share off the back of a 180-day notice being given by the SEC that it needed to get its share price up above the $1 level. A month on, and Trackstar IQ, our proprietary search tracking tool, shows us that 11 institutional investors have made 90 searches of this firm over the past fortnight. There's been no headlines recently, but a shareholder letter from CEO Alex Ovadia has been gaining attention as it gave a full overview of the company's current state, recent milestones, and plans for the future centering around C-scan. Looking at the charts, we can see that the stock is outperforming 93% of the other 178 in the surgical and medical instruments industry. It's also had strong volume since it's pushed back above $1, and we're now back trading at levels that were consistent throughout 2019 and early 2020 prior to the COVID dip. From a growth perspective, Check's earnings per share grew 45.41% last year and are scheduled to average 62.71% over the next 2 years. The firm also has strong quick and current ratios, which suggests that Check is on a firm footing. It's worth noting that this is a loss-making firm which has a knack for fundraising. This is not uncommon for companies in this field, and the fact that investors are willing to show so much support is encouraging. So in all, CheckCap looks to be an exciting firm that has developed a unique product and has the strong support of investors, which makes it definitely one for the watch list. That's all we have time for this week, but as usual, make sure you do your due diligence before making any investment decisions. To find out more about our Trackstar IQ data, sign up to our free newsletter at investingchannel.com/Trackstar.